Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, Father.
While reflecting on our readings today and the feast of Saint Augustine, I remember a story that is told about this little boy who asked his father what the meaning of letter F in his report card. Sabi niya, ano bang ibig sabihin ng letter F sa report card? So yung tatay niya, nag-isip sandali at sinabi sa kanya, anak, alam ko na, ang ibig sabihin ng letter F sa report card mo ay fast. Yung bata sabi niya, hindi siguro, Dad. Hindi siguro yan ang ibig sabihin yan. Siguro ang letter F sa report card ko, ang ibig sabihin ay perfect. Nakakatawa, my dear brothers and sisters. But you see what happens when we pretend to know when we really don't. And when we pretend to be what we really are not. Honesty has become such a lonely word in our world, so filled with pretenses, misinformation, misrepresentations, lies, and manipulations. Kaya sabi nga ng iba, mas mabuti pa ang tanghali tapat. Except for a few, we all have skeletons in our closets. Some are just more successful in hiding them. My dear brothers and sisters, I do believe that the challenge of our gospel for today is for us to be reminded that there are no greater gods among us. Let us not play the better than thou, more so the holier than thou game. We are all sinners. Period. My spiritual director always told me not to mind and not to be focused on what people say about us, whether good or bad. Because what matters is what God says of us. Period. And the saint that we celebrate today will prove to us the point and the challenge of the gospel of today. It took many years of searching and questioning before Saint Augustine found the answer to his heart's desires. This realization and declaration, let or late have I loved you, referring to his discovery of God, came after many detours in the crooked path which the young, restless Augustine had taken in his journey towards God. He was wrestling with his life's issues, pretenses, and concerns. What brought him to those painful and chaotic life experiences was his great desire to find peace and rest in his heart. At yun yun na napagtanto na napakahalaga pala at napaka-importante, hindi kung ano ang tingin sa iyo ng ibang tao, masama ka man o mabuti, kung hindi kung ano ang tingin ng Diyos sa iyo. And when he discovered that, he was able to regain his faith and learn to surrender everything to God. And Saint Augustine was ready to welcome him into his life again. My dear brothers and sisters, what matters is what God says of us, period. And let us continue to be authentic and be true as followers of Him, trying to live our call, trying to admit our mistakes and our shortcomings, because what matters in the end is what God says of us.